All right, folks. I'm taking these ladies out to a nice restaurant tonight. Taking you guys out for a treat, and we're right here at Rizal Extension at Avocado Street. All right, getting the barbecue fired up, and then Fatima's gonna come over here and pick out some barbecue. Okay, so folks, I got beef shumai. Okay, so 10 pesos on the chicken feet. What's the name of it?
Balloon Balloona.
Balloon Balloona. Okay, so Balloon Balloona, and how much is this?
10 pesos.
Okay, so 10 pesos on the Balloon Balloona. And what about right here?
Bulaklak.
Bulak Bulak?
Bulaklak.
Bulaklak. And how much is a bulaklak?
10 pesos.
So 10 pesos on that.
This then, tenga po. Taba. Here.
Oh, the pork ear? How much on the pork ear?
15.
15 on the pork ear. And what about here?
Meat.
Meat? All right, how much of the meat?
20 pesos.
All right, 20 on the meat. And then the red hot dogs?
15 pesos.
15 on the red hot dogs. Getting a Coke, Royal.
Walang royal?
I got a little puppy over there. Playing some Kitchen to Dawn in the background, rocking it out at this little spot. Got these beautiful ladies in here. My goodness, folks. I've stumbled onto a little gym right here. Got a cute puppy. Firing up the barbecue grill. And I'm gonna tell you, that fan is what I need. Kevin's got one of those fans, but I need me a fan just like that back at the crib. Inside mundo.
We're going inside.
Yeah, go get a table, baby. All right, so that's the spread we got there, folks. We just came in and just got a spread. They're gonna barbecue it up, and they're gonna bring it to us over here to the dining area. Yeah, all right, they're gonna show us to the table. Are you gonna be the barbecue chef? All right, wonderful, wonderful. And folks, come on back in here. We got us a wonderful seat in this little atmosphere. Just check this out. I got music. It is just wonderful here. Just check this out. How can you not love this little spot right here? Got a table made out of tires, beautiful colors, underneath the trees. Wow. Thank you very much. Whoa, wag mo sasabihin. Not demo, not a mine. You didn't know I spoke Tagalog. The king got mo magabalon sayo. Folks, these are Kitchen to Doll songs. You don't know who Kitchen to Doll is? Great singer. Oh, we're transferring, folks. It's starting to rain a little bit, so we're moving on up. We're moving on up from the cheap seats over to the penthouse. Let me show you this little spot. Just check this out. Got the smoking area over here. Put your cigar butts in there. This little cordon off smoking area with the cigar butts. Too cool. Oh yeah. All right, over here like kings now, Forrest G. So you got this little pink awning. Rain kicks up. We just moved our operation over here. We got Bob Marley over there at the bar. Coolest places. Coolest places. A little bit off the beaten path. You just got to seek them out. The way we found this place is we were walking over here the other night. Walked right past it. I said, hey, we're going to eat dinner over there. They just kind of laughed. And I told them, I said, hey, we're going there tonight. Let's go. YouTube's gonna take all the money on this video, but I don't care. This video's for me. delicious. Now, wife number one loves those chicken feet. She hadn't had chicken feet in a while, so she is excited about chewing down on that chicken feet right there. Forrest G is ready. Thank you very much. There, folks, got some sauce to go with it. Folks, you can't put a price on a good time. You can't put a price on a good time, I'm telling you. I love it. It's my new favorite bar. Restaurant, hang out. Look at her go to work on that chicken wing. That chicken feet, I mean. Alright folks, this little spot's so cool. I don't even want to give up the location because I love little places like this. I like to keep it secret, but you know what? I want them to get the business. We're on Rizal Extension at Avocado Street here in Barrio Barretto. So right there, this is Avocado Street. This is Rizal Extension. Come over here, tell them Marco sent you, show them the video. They got cold beer, they got San Mig Light, Red Horse. I think they got a full bar back there, I'm not sure. But if you're a beer drinker, come on up. The ladies are doing some great videoke, free music, free entertainment. Got all kind of barbecue on the grill. And let's see, what was the price? It was 300 something pesos for a big old plate of barbecue, you know, 3 Cokes, what have you. But it's a great time. A little bit off the beaten path, but just tell the truck driver where to bring you. You know, bring your lady. She'd love to sit there and do videoke and, you know, eat local food. And the great thing for you, the foreign guys, local prices. Come on up, tell them I sent you. Just a beautiful night with some lightning going on out here. Life don't get any better than this. Now, folks, I want to show you off to the right side of the aircraft. This is a place called Hebrews Cafe, Hebrews Coffee, wholesale, retail. It's a little coffee shop right here. It's been in my videos before, but that place is too cool. Turn on the old light to the iPhone 12 mini. Walking down these back dark lit streets, if you don't have a light, you might step in a pile of security's poop. You hear my security? My security is strong on the outer perimeter.